In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Outlook. If you spend long hours in your inbox, switching to a darker theme can reduce eye strain, make text easier to read in low light, and give the whole app a cleaner, more focused look. This walkthrough is for the desktop version of Outlook on Windows, and it only takes a moment. First, open Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your inbox so the menus are fully available. We're going to make the change from Outlook's built-in settings, so there's nothing extra to download. Next, look to the very top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view, which is where Global Outlook and Office settings live. From here, you'll either see Office account directly in the left-hand list, or you can choose Options and then select the General section. Both paths lead to the setting we need, and which one you see depends on your Outlook version. Once you're in the right place, find the Office theme drop-down. This controls the overall appearance of Outlook, and in most cases, other Microsoft 365 apps on your device as well. Click the menu and choose either black or dark gray. Black gives you the deepest high-contrast look, great for very dim environments. Dark gray is a little softer, which some people find more comfortable for long reading sessions. As soon as you make your selection, you can close the window. There's no need to save. Dark mode applies immediately. You'll notice the ribbon, the sidebar, and the background elements switch to your chosen theme right away. If you have other Office apps open, you may also see them update to match, since the Office theme is shared across the suite. A quick note on what to expect. The interface will definitely darken